In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Wix. This is an important step in ensuring your customers can find the perfect fit, whether you're selling clothing, shoes, or any products where size matters. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Head over to www.wix.com and click on the Login button, then enter your account details. Once logged in, open the website that hosts your Wix store. Next, you'll want to access the Wix editor. From your dashboard, simply click Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor, handing you the tools to modify and customize your store pages. Now it's time to decide how you'd like to integrate your size chart. There are three main methods you can choose from: a pop-up or lightbox, a separate page, or a collapsible text box on the product page. For adding a size chart via lightbox, click on plus add, move to interactive, and select lightbox. Pick a layout and design that aligns with your site. In the lightbox, insert either text or an image of your size chart. Then on each product page, you'll want to link a size chart button to seamlessly open up this lightbox when clicked. Alternatively, you might prefer to add the size chart directly on a product page. Click on the product element within your store, select Manage Products, pick a specific product, and then add a description or custom text. Here you can embed your size chart image or table directly within the product's description. Opting for a separate size chart page involves navigating to Menus and Pages and selecting plus Add Page. Name this new page Size Chart, then add a table or image with your size information. You'll then link or add a button on product pages to direct customers to this dedicated size chart page. Once you've decided and implemented your preferred method, customize the chart's design. Adjust the fonts, colors, borders, and layout to ensure consistency with your store's overall look. It's crucial to maintain readability and make sure everything is mobile friendly. Before launching, preview and thoroughly test your size chart feature. Use the preview button to inspect how the chart displays and functions, checking both desktop and mobile views. Make sure all buttons and links work correctly in guiding customers to the size information they need. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything looks and functions perfectly, hit the Publish button. This action will make your new size chart live on your Wix store, enhancing customer experience and potentially boosting sales. Congratulations, you've successfully added a size chart to your Wix store.